Now let us use this concept of using absolute error, relative error, percentage error and mean absolute error, and do this numerical. The statement of the numerical is the diameter of wire measured in the form is found to be 1.328, 1.330, 1.325 and 1.326 and 1.334 and 1.336. These all are measured value and we have represented these by A1. So A1 is found to be 1.328, 1.328. A2 is given to be 1.330. A3 is 1.325. A4 1.326. A5 is equal to 1.334 and A6 is equal to 1.336 centimeter. So these all are our measured value. Now we have to find out first mean value. Mean value is calculated by simply adding and dividing by 6. Since we are having 6 physical quantities, 6 measured quantities. So this is 1.328 plus 1.330 plus 1.325 plus 1.326 plus 1.334 and plus 1.336 divided by 6. So after calculating, its value will come out to be 1.330. So this is our true value, which is represented by AM. Now second, we have to calculate the absolute errors in each. So delta A1 is equal to AM minus A1, which is to be 1.330 minus 1.328. Clearly this number is greater than the true value. So answer, smaller than 28 and so smaller than, so it will be positive, plus 0.002 centimeter. Similarly, delta A2 we can calculate AM minus A2. This is 1.330 minus 1.330. 1.330. That is come to be 0. Delta A3 is equal to AM minus A3, which is 1.325. 1.330 minus 1.325 is equal to 0.005. And similarly we can calculate it, but you can see that there is two values which are greater than the mean value, which is 1.334 and 1. It means these two, for these two values, value will be negative, right? So similarly, if we calculate all these, we can calculate the absolute values. Now to calculate the mean absolute value, what we will do? We will add these all. Here this comes out to be 0.002, 0.05. And next, if we calculate the value, this will be 0.004. Next will be minus 0.004, and next will be minus 0.006. Right? Now we have to calculate delta A mean. So while taking mean, we will ignore this negative sign. So we will add 0.002 plus 0 plus 0.005 plus 0.004 plus 0.004 plus 0.006 divided by 6. And the value that comes out to be will be 0.004. So this comes out to be our mean absolute value. Now let us find out the fractional error. Fractional error could be calculated by finding its ratio with AM. So 0.004 divided by AM is our 1.330. So if you calculate, it comes out to be plus minus 0.003. And percentage error can be calculated by multiplying it by 100. So if you multiply it by 100, it comes out to be plus minus 0.3%. Right? So we have calculated the percentage error also. Now if we want to express the reading, we will write the diameter is equal to A mean. A mean कितना आएगा हमारे पास 1.330 प्लस माइनस मीन एब्सोल्यूट एरर कितनी आई थी 0.0034. So we'll write or 0.0034, or if we want to write for percentage error, so it will write 0.03%. or we will write 1.330 plus minus 0.00. You can see here delta A means 004. So this is the final result.